them.
Yeah.
Ma and go get that idea ni chaka will problem later. Watch theater watch ngi madano can watch kanya timu cha school makono woyo bono we school go se fail. Watch theater can barabara mako kretrero kinyi ibo ido pigi di hospital. Watch theater ni mama madu akonye deko kwedo konye kusano otho nyathi otho. It's not about chaka as you get that. One, that's the first important thing. You must get it right. Secondly, Jose wacho mathoth ni onge araka onge maketre. Kanyi mano ndikini yakane SHAF no rumuri muka uono mani shaya ngari no fast. Kwane pinyiru muka uono makata mashi nzo kuti kata blezo kubedo chai na kalo chaka mnaka uono. No. No we kwane ketre. South Africa began this thing almost in 2002. Up to now they're still working that journey. Tuni Kenya kai no kila maina rikilima orinko de parliament ugole parliament utire kyakanye itena jishanga to more ingre gizi jutini yiriembe we teach hand over what system and SHAF which has worked for 57 years they don't teach anymore. They want a new system, what 1.4 billion. Yeah, what we have considered is said, and what I like that Kisumu is doing their part, and I can tell you that Dr. Ganda can only assure Kenyans, not Timo Kamil Kisumu. Can he speak of that in Siaya, in Tarakanipi? Because anga wika jatelo but Kenya mzima. So ani yongi kukwentire Lamu everywhere. So if Kisumu is doing well, good because he sima Kisumu daktari mo ibatemu. Ungisi ni program at sukari diabetes seme. Kwani Kisumu county ni seme kende. Waka they relative just in Nyakachi also because not sustainable probably. I'm speaking from experience because pile sibe mayodo ka adala ene mara ngato gore pinyi that mune ultrasound onge ka itirekia kanyi ngato kani this one is bleeding as in the real life problem that you can just sit back and claim ni chaka
kuru unwe neno time na we mara ni SHAF ni mondi
enia first of all there's no single day ma mean testing this madmosa so me pinyi mangima mean testing nyo ni peji kaka odichal no leads to more inequality because you are locked out. That means testing to a fellow university kai. Sani ko kai watching dana mageno usalala nyodika agero ne old mabati manyo ni TV ki fridge. Then bido ngize niko mai ni ja 8-year-old niko eno nyal ni rich. To an makul uda ngize mo mama no chul 2000 per month ni. And apura repesa mo cham. So I'll have to pay it again. And I'm saying at 2.75% of gross salary. Iwinjo then wado be di manja konyo gero simba magere bende ngiso nikuro bende o jalo chulo 1000 godan ma akulu pesa Nairobi. It leads to more inequality. The only way me look at more equality is that tax everyone. Kila mtu chulo taxes kai kinyo sukari chulo tax kinyo credit chulo tax no any Tiyo godo to make things better. And SHAF has been here collecting billions of shillings. What have you had to show for it? There's nothing. So there's no hurry. We could, and Honorable Nikal said it very well, that why can't we say that we are starting the process of the UHC? This idea, mad me, we are siloing things near. Ni watch drugs no we Monday, one watch on financing. Ni watch healthcare wakacha, we mana Monday, watch na watch shani. Healthcare under UHC has 4 pillars. Pillar mokongo enia, kisegero hospital infrastructure. Mi nyo yede mi kete kai. We get a system, ma collect data, ma inform decision making and technology and all that. You finally get a healthcare worker, ma work around Goloya Bicha, ma get the only thing ma get to do only katuo, tayo theater. I don't care whether she get that. Then so how do you then finance all this? That's the key thing. So kinyal nisa ni watch sha. To bugiza ni pesa medu around ida de timogango. How have you made sure ni kagolo pesa nani? Because their families might go to as the last resort. Only the regular income in most of these places. Thing I don't any pile ka who na boido me a beach per month. This is the court nothing. Then what do you make this poor person pay for it the whole year? And how frequently will you do this means testing? Manual ngima lokre. So the worst of all, look at the system. Manage you working already, register, kidu go get to system, you can't even delete it. Anything. The opacity, give me your asking you, we are not really bad people. Jokenya ma you are going to shine rachel, or give for. Go to money, Mudo Muketini, get some smoke screen, make open your questions. kaka na mawaziri mar thieth mwenye could not answer basic questions can penje nyoro MPs manokadho sheria cannot even explain to their constituents how it works. As a doctor, I don't know how the thing works. Thing is in here, ni chaka chaka. Let us get it right. And if you get it right the first time, it will work. Let us look at where the gap. The biggest challenges in NHIF was corruption. There's an EACC report which was given on NHIF. NHIF could just say, could sort out corruption, leakages, administrative costs now are very high. NHIF was perfect. Because that was one of the legacy projects for Uhuru Kenyatta. What was wrong with NHIF? Manyaka ni wita wita NHIF hiki roshani. Odika wono kikaine otuloka tulodo je out. Iwa ngo odimo dike otmanyen. No, ima youth tool miriembo. Who can do corruption in NHIF? Then get the corrupt people out. Don't ban NHIF.
Okay. Nganda penjo mare Miskella